function with no argument and no return value. Through the name you can understand that. No argument means not passing any argument, not receiving any parameters, and not returning any value. Not returning any value, it is called void function. Void functions under no argument, so that's why without any argument. Through the examples we will see. Now def square, because no parameter, not passing any parameters. Okay. Now a equal to int input, enter a number. So inside of the function I have taken one input variable for taking the value. Now another variable to storing these solutions. So a exponential 2, that means square of this variable, So enter a number, which one? 5. Then 5 square. What is the output will generate? 25. So print square of a, square of 5 equal to 25. So inside of the functions we will do everything. And function calling with no argument. That means no argument passing, not receiving any parameters. Inside of the functions we will take the variables, formula and print function also. So this is the example of functions with no argument and no return value.